What's up you guys? Thank you so much for the support, especially to our Indian friends who direct message me on Facebook. If you are new, please do yourself a favor, subscribe and follow our Facebook page. And I really love it when you direct message me asking for assistance in troubleshooting your printer or computer. So today I'm gonna show you how to disassemble an Epson L120. Alright, for the part 6 of disassembling an Epson L120, this time I'm gonna show you the last part, which is the motherboard or the logic board. How to replace or check your board in case there are troubles you encounter and your research says that the motherboard has the failure. So we start by opening the printer. I don't have to explain further on how to open this one, because if you wanted the step-by-step procedure, you may refer to my first video for this disassemble of the printer, which is the part 1, because I've got your step-by-step process there. Okay, so here is the logic board. For L120, the logic board differs from the other series or its batches like L210 or L220 because of this roller sensor is attached to the board. Unlike the other printer, it is not attached. You can unplug it just like this power supply. Yeah, it has a port, as you can see. The roller sensor is attached. So first we remove everything that we saw attached to the board, like this for the motor, for the flex cable, the printer head cables, and then next is to unscrew the board. 1, 2, and 3 right here. On the fourth one will be the screw for the sensor, of course. Okay, so unscrewing the motherboard. You must remember where you got the screw, because as you can see they are of different heights. So this one is at the top and this one is in the middle, and right here at the side is the same height or the same screw as at the top. Look at the comparison. Okay, the middle is higher than the others, and the screw for the roller sensor right here. And after unscrewing them, we remove the board, but you have to take precautions because you might damage the paper sensor right here. So you must take it carefully and gently. That's it. So this is the motherboard. Okay, I can see that They are dense. This one we have to clean. This one I have to clean the board. Okay, and check if it is still okay for the functions in printing. It might affect the printing speed when it has dents or stains. It might affect the operations of all of the printer. We have tested the power and this printer is okay. It has the power. Okay, so that's it, and this is the last part of our tutorial in disassembling an Epson L120. So thank you so much. What I am showing you are the major parts of the L120. So there are still minor parts of the printer. Later on, I will be releasing an ebook for these printers. So stay tuned and thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Alright, that's it. If there is something that you wanted to learn, just comment below or direct message me in our Facebook page so I can make a video for it. And stay tuned for more updates. That's all. Thank you and see you next time.